I really love the virtual visits. Just being able to connect with a doctor just as if I were seeing them in person. If it's something simple like allergies, a common cold, headaches that maybe persist for a day or so, or anything simple, I can schedule a virtual visit in the matter of minutes. All that was necessary is for me to download an app that was connected to the coverage, create a profile, and within 5 minutes, I could be seeing a doctor on my phone or on a tablet, which is super convenient.